How to use Temu credit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Temu credit. For that, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Now, Temu credits are shopping credits that can be used to pay for orders on the Temu app or Temu.com. There are multiple ways that you can receive Temu credit that include rewards for participating in the themed activity or promotional events, credits as part of the late delivery policy. Now, if you want to use it, you simply want to explore the website and find the items you want to purchase, then add them to your cart. Now, tap on the cart option. Then, you want to check out. Now, on this page, you want to make sure that you have added the shipping address. Next step is to select your payment method. Now, your credits will be automatically applied to the eligible orders at checkout. You do not have to do anything. But if you prefer not to use your credit balance for a particular order, you may also change the amount of credit before completing checkout. Now, you simply want to scroll down. If you have any coupon code, you can apply it over here. Now you want to tap on the submit order option. Now your order will be placed, and with these simple steps you are able to use your Temu credit. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.